Hello, welcome back. Thank you for joining me, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We'd really like it if you join our family. Today we're doing the Koala Crate. It is so cute. Super cute. And it tells you right here that we're gonna do the Arctic. I do not know what that means, but soon we'll find out. This one is for my youngest. Its age range is 3 to 5 on this one. So it's for the little guys. And last time we did rainbows. So this time it is Arctic. It looks like this when you open it up. Right on top is the brochure. I'm gonna put it right here. The brochure that tells you what you're doing. It shows you what's in the box and what type of projects you will be doing. We normally do 3 in the Koala Crate, and we are this time as well. We are doing a polar bear dress up, snowball toss, and snowflake stamps. Well, that's gonna be interesting. So here is the polar bear dress up, the snowball toss, peekaboo, peekaboo. And I already forgot the other one because I was so busy peekabooing. Snowflake stamps. Right there. Alright. It always comes with a nice little magazine, and it talks about the little friends, and they talk about pretty much whatever your box is on. So this is obviously going to be about Arctic and snow, the missing mittens. That's cute. It's always a cute little story. Alright, so I take those out, and here are all of our projects. Oh, I love these boxes. We did one in January, as you know, and just love them. I love spending the time with the kids and doing the projects, and they have everything that most everything that you need. Of course, sometimes when it tells you you need scissors, they're not packing that. They assume you have it. But it's fun. We both have fun. Okay. So, here is fluffy yarn. This is going to be on the snowball project. They have a puff. A white puff. I'm just trying to see. The bath scrub is also part of the snowball toss project. We have snowflake stamps, which is going to be part of the stamping project. The headband, super cute. We have this guy, which is the feet paw pieces and feet paw stickers. No. That's what it looked like, didn't it? No, it doesn't at all. That's why I'm like, wait a minute, that doesn't look like that. It is the felt ears and stickers. Here are the paws. What a difference. How could I think that's the same? They're not. Yeah. That's me for you, everyone. A ball. That is for the snowball toss. We have 2 ink pads, which is going to be for the stamping snowflakes. We have a purple and a blue. It's going to be pretty. And then we can use that for my craft room afterwards. And we have this nice blue paper to stamp on. That is everything that comes in the box. It's going to be fabulous. I'm excited to do this with my little one, and when we are done with the projects, I will show you, just like last time, how they turned out. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so here is one of the projects. It is a snowflake wrapping paper. You can see how we did. We have 2 double-sided snowflake that are on acrylic bars. This is a snowflake, and then that's a snowflake. So you ink it up.
I don't need them.
Okay. You ink it up. So that he just inked his up and did blue. And I am doing purple. And then you stamp it. And then you ink up the exact same one. You can do a different color, whatever. And then you flip it to make, see if I can do this while on video. You flip it, press, and then you have a snowflake. And then that's the other design.
Now we're doing blue.
Yep. And on to the next project. Okay, we did the other two projects. We did the ears.
Can I take out my food?
Yes, and
Can I take out my
our little mittens.
Can
And then we ended up doing the sticky ball, which is what it looks like. I know, really loud. Can you hold, please? And this is the sticky ball, so it sticks when he wears these. We can play catch. And those are our projects. Fun, fun.